Hey guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. There has been another murder-suicide, and I've been watching these cases since last year. I think I did 8 cases where a man actually killed a woman and killed himself, or not kill himself, or kill the woman and the children. And I feel like it's getting out of control now. And here is another one, unfortunately. A law couple is now dead following a murder-suicide incident at their home in Whitehall Avenue in Kingston on Friday, March 1st, where the female was shot to death by her common-law husband, who also shot himself. Both victims have been identified as 49-year-old Susan Purdon, otherwise called Susie, of Whitehall Avenue, and 47-year-old Gary Purand, businessman of Chesterville Avenue in Kingston 20. Reports reaching the news team are that about 10 p.m. Purdana was at her home in Whitehall when an argument developed between her and the common-law husband. Further reports are that the deranged man brandished a handgun which he used to shoot Purdana in the region of her head. Upon seeing that his common-law wife was dead, he turned the firearm on himself and shot himself to death. An alarm was raised and the police were summoned. Upon their arrival, both victims were discovered suffering from gunshot wounds. They were transported to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. Our news team also learned that the police recovered Purdon's firearm. So, not only did he kill his common-law wife, he killed himself. And I feel like this is a growing trend in Jamaica. A lot of the times I don't know what to say causes stuff like this. If a woman is not happy in a relationship, they are allowed to leave that relationship. They're not stuck in that relationship forever. And men have to understand that. And also, same thing with the men. Because the other day I saw a man crying about how he's going to kill himself because Munchie did whatever to him. You're not stuck in a relationship. If you're unhappy, leave. If you feel like your life is in danger, leave. Okay, it's not worth it. It's definitely not worth it to lose your life to somebody you think loved you, cared for you, and that you've spent some time with, cherished memories, and even had children, or talked about family, marriage, and all of that. It's not worth it. And it's not worth you taking somebody's life, because if you don't kill yourself, the next thing that's going to happen is you're going to go to jail. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.